winter evening drifts through the empty street. Falling leaves whisper softly beneath my lonely feet. The fading sunlight slowly disappears behind the gray horizon, and memories of you return like echoes in the mist. Once we walked together on this quiet road at sunset. Your gentle smile warmed my heart in the fading light. But time carried you away beyond the distant sky, leaving only the silent wind and my endless sigh. Oh, winter wind, why do you still whisper her name tonight? Each gust of cold air reminds me of the love we left behind. The streetlights flicker in the deepening dusk, while my lonely heart still searches for your shadow. Darker, and the world becomes so quiet. Somewhere far away you may have forgotten yesterday, yet here I remain beside the road of memories, listening to the cold wind calling your name. If someday you return to this old familiar street, perhaps you will hear the echo, the heart that never changed. Those seasons pass and the years slowly fade away. My love still waits in the winter evening. And now the night falls gently across this lonely town. The cold wind keeps blowing through my silent soul, but deep inside the fading light of this winter dusk, I am still waiting.